Alright, get through here. Is that supposed to go? Here. Just so I can see. Oh, okay, that's supposed to go down in there. Got it.
So if we take the volume down, I'm just gonna pause it actually. This is a full Android tablet. So this is like, I don't know, something that it has. And then there's all the apps. It literally has YouTube. You have to be connected to Wi-Fi. So since my car doesn't have Wi-Fi, that's not gonna work. But it has a video app and it can play videos and like the full surround sound of my car. So that's pretty cool. This little assistive touch knockoff, I'll get rid of that. Close. And then this app here, the Z-Link, that's the CarPlay. But my navigation, it has built-in navigation. Once I believe I just need to download the maps for Waze or Google Maps to work. And then it has built-in GPS so that you can have it as a GPS system when your phone's not connected. Let's go back to here. The screen gets lower quality and it takes a bit of time to get this to respond to my phone. So I want to introduce you guys to the Hondla. This is my car. I have been upgrading my car. I have added that little guy that makes it so that I can unlock my car with my phone. I have added this big guy so that I can have CarPlay, because I've wanted to have CarPlay for a while and I'm not going to buy a new car for that. So this car's name is the Hondla because I really want a Tesla. There's a Tesla emblem on the front because I really would like a Tesla, but I'm going to live with this car until I can afford that. So, welcome to the Hondla. I have installed a Apple Music app, which is bringing up this agree or disagree screen that is not, it won't let me get past this. I can't tap that. So, go home. That's not going to work. This has sound effects, so let me get something playing. So this app here takes you to sound effects. You can mess with all these things, I don't know what they are, and like make it sound different. This song naturally has the crackliness, but there's also crackling in my speakers in the back. I'm gonna just put that back to default. I don't know what this button does, but you can also drag it around the car. So, you hear that speaker's a bit crackly. That one's got rattle to it. But, I mean, this will be helpful for knowing what to fix in my car. But it's super cool that I can be like, I'm sitting in this seat, so might as well have all the sound here. It actually sounds the best when it's centered. I got the like full surround sound. So that's a cool feature I like about this. Let me pause the music. So let's go to Z-Link. This should connect to my phone. Just gotta give it a second. Figured out I have an iPhone. It's turned on driving mode on my phone. So, well, there's this screen with the map here, the music here, the map stuff, places I can go there. There's this screen, the now playing. I can just go to whatever I'm listening to. And yeah. I've got my messaging apps and it'll read stuff to me. It's great, but it's not the best quality screen once you open CarPlay. So that more or less is the system. Now it's full Android. It's got the Play Store. So I've installed, I think I've installed a game. I didn't actually install the game. Failed to do that. But I've got Alexa in here, Prime Video. So I could theoretically download Netflix, Prime Video, stuff to the device, it has like 32 gigs on it, and I could watch a movie somewhere in my car. So yeah, that's something I could do. I started to say in the last clip that assistive touch, knock off assistive touch, just brings up whatever buttons are here. It brings them on the screen, so that if you can't see these buttons, you can you can use these buttons. So that is my CarPlay system that I added to my car on my own. Bought it on eBay, put it in my car. There's a gap right here. So between this and the little thing that unlocks my doors by remote of my phone, the emblem on the front, I have tire gauges screwed right on as caps for the tire air thing caps. So I have those. So I keep upgrading the Hondla. So that's about all I have for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Later.